Forum Manipur, or the IPF, has claimed that the influx from Myanmar has a demographic shift in the state of Manipur. As per the IPF's official statement, Manipur has witnessed significant demographic changes in the recent years, primarily due to the influx of the immigrants from Myanmar and Bangladesh. Adding to which, they have stated that the use of fake documents to facilitate the entry into the state has become a common and an easy practice. IPMF has claimed that the impact of this migration is particularly evident in the areas like Jiribam district, where the population has surged by more than 80% between the year 1951 and 2011. Now, viewers, let's listen into the statements that have been made by the IPMF.
Their identity, culture, economy and rights. We are extremely blessed to come over here and deliberate on this pressing matter which directly impacts our life. Ladies and gentlemen, moderator and program officials of this event, I am delighted to be one of the speakers on this issue affecting the indigenous fraternity in the country. I represent the state of Manipur, which has been flooded by illegal immigrants from across the borders of India. Very soon, the state of Manipur will become another Tripura, which the indigenous tribals are outnumbered by outsiders. If corrective and preventable measures are not put in place, so it is the same voice of the native people of Manipur to implement NRC in the near future. A grave threat has arisen to the indigenous population of Manipur from a wave of illegal immigrants. Illegal immigrants from Myanmar and Bangladesh frequently enter Manipur via porous borders using National Highway number 2 and 37. The use of fake documents to facilitate entry has become a common and easy practice. The impact of this migration is particularly evident in areas like Jiribam districts, Kapopi districts, Tengnoppal districts, and so on, where the population surged by 80.22% between 1951 and 2011. By 2011, highlighting the demographic shift.
All right, viewers. Now let's shift our focus to other developments. Bareilly police has arrested 43-year-old woman for allegedly staging a false